Hello everyone, I'm Jiayu and I'm going to explain about FlowPane. FlowPane is one of the pane in JavaFx for organizing nodes in a container, and this kind of pane will place the nodes row by row horizontally or column by column vertically in the pane. Let's have an example of our FlowPane program. So this is the example of FlowPane, and this FlowPane is created using the default constructor, so it has a horizontal orientation which arrange all the child component in the horizontal way, which is from left to right, as its alignment is set to be left, and then its vgap and hash gap value is 0. So you can see if there is not enough space for the child component to arrange from left to right, it will automatically go to the next line. So this is the main properties of the FlowPane. If there is enough space, it will arrange in a horizontal way, and if for the vertical orientation FlowPane, it will arrange from the top to the bottom, which is like this. So in order to create a FlowPane, we must import all these JavaFx components into our program. As the FlowPane is from the FlowPane class, so we must have import javafx.scene.layout.flowpane. Okay, first we create some child component for our FlowPane so that we have something to show in the pane. In this program, we will create 3 buttons, which is button 1, button 2, and button 3. And then we create the FlowPane object. Next, we place all the nodes into the FlowPane by using the method getChildren.add. And in the column, in the bracket, we will add the child component, which is the button. If we want to add all the child component into the FlowPane in one shot, we can just use getChildren.addAll method and put all the nodes, all the name of the child component into the bracket, so that we can declare it just in one line. After that, we create a scene and place the scene on the stage. In the scene, we have our FlowPane created, and then we set our width and height of the scene. Then this is for the title of the stage, and then we will show the stage. Okay. So it will give us the FlowPane like this. Because we don't set our hash gap and vgap value, so it will give us the default value 0. So you can see all the child components are stick together because the vgap, the spacing between the nodes are 0. Okay, now in order to have some space between the child component, we have to set the horizontal gap between the child component. So we will set hash gap first. Hash gap is the horizontal spacing between the child component. So you can see there occurs some space. So this is called hash gap. And then for vgap, we still have 0 value for vgap, so they will stick together when they are arranged in the vertical way. So if we set vgap as 10 also, it will give us some space for the child component, even they are in a vertical arrangement. Then, if you want to have some margin at the around the child component in the windows, you have to set padding. For example, we will set 10, 10, 10, 10 for top. This one is right, bottom and left. The FlowPane will become like this. This is the first. This is represented by the first digit, this spacing, and then this spacing at the right is represented by the second digit, and the third digit is the bottom part, and the last digit is for the space at the left side. Next, I will show the vertical orientation of the FlowPane. So we use the set orientation method to set it to become vertical orientation. So you can see it will automatically arrange the child component from top to bottom instead of from left to right, like this, for horizontal orientation, like this. Okay, next we will set alignment. Alignment is where the child component to be arranged. For example, if we set the alignment to be center, so it will arrange in the center. No matter how we enlarge the windows, it will remain in the center also. There are other alignment also we can choose. Base left, right, center. If we choose the center right, it will align at the right side but still at the center. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Thank you.